sacrificed their precious lives. Let the sacrifice not go in vain. Let each one of us don the responsibility and march forward, recalling the inspiring lines from H.W. Longfellow's popular poem, A Psalm of Life. Let us then be up and doing, with a heart for any fate, still achieving, still pursuing. Learn to labor and to wait. Thank you. This was Ritvik of Class 80 signing off.
Thank you, children, for the thought-provoking message. And now, we have the annual school report presented by our students. As the report is being presented, parents are requested not to move about causing any kind of inconvenience. We seek your cooperation, parents. Thank you. The school annual report being presented by our students. At the delay, parents, we now have the annual school report being presented by our students.
Deem it our proud privilege to report our endeavors and achievements for the academic year 2013 and 14.
Our alma mater stands on a firm foundation laid by a beloved sir, Shri U.G. Reddy.
His humble yet authoritative demeanor has always given us the benefit of good governance and effective leadership.
To welcome you all to this meeting this evening. May I now invite the chief guest of today's function, Mr. P. Munaswamy, Commandant SAR CPL, who is presently posted as Deputy Inspector General of Police, Octopus, to come on to the dais. I request our Vice Principal, Mr. U. Joseph Reddy, to escort the distinguished guest. I now invite our guest of honor, Mr. P. Satyanarayana, parent of the school head girl, Mrs. B.V. Ramana Devi, parent of the school head boy, and Mrs. R. Sunita, member, governing body, St. Joseph's Public School, Hapsiguda, on to the dais. I request our headmistress, Mrs. U. Teresa, to escort the guests of honor. I now request our principal and secretary, Mr. U.G. Reddy, to welcome the gathering.
Distinguished chief guest of today's annual cultural festival of St. Joseph's, other members of the governing body, and also the other distinguished guests, and dear parents, members of staff, dear students. We are all very happy today. We are having this celebration on a grand success and grand scale. So I hope everything is going on well, because I am, first of all, wholeheartedly, I thank all the student leaders and other leaders, those who are taking care of today's function very systematically. So now I think I request our headmistress Teresa to introduce our chief guest and other guests to all of us. Teresa, headmistress, St. Joseph's High School.
Ladies and gentlemen and dear friends, it is my privilege to introduce to this august gathering the distinguished guests of today's annual cultural festival. We are indeed honored to have with us Sri P. Muniswamy, IPS, Commandant, SAR CPL, as the chief guest for today's program. A postgraduate in applied mathematics from SV University, Sri P. Muniswamy began his career as a lecturer in mathematics until he joined the police force of the state of Andhra Pradesh in the year 1987. Having served in the capacity of DSP, ASP and SP through the state, Sri Muniswamy is currently working as Commandant, SAR CPL, and has been posted as DIG Octopus. His meritorious service in the police department has earned him the Uttam Seva Patakam, rightly bestowed upon him by the government of Andhra Pradesh. Despite his busy working schedule, Sri Muniswamy avidly follows the current political happenings in the national scenario, watches sports, and listens to light music in the leisure time. It gives us immense pleasure, and we feel honored to have such an accomplished personality with us today. I request our school leader to present a bouquet to our chief guest, Sri Muniswamy, IPS, Commandant, SAR CPL. It's a great pleasure to introduce our guest of honor, Sri P. Satyanarayana, parent of the school head girl. A graduate in electronics and communication engineering, Sri Satyanarayana is presently the Deputy Director in Doordarshan, India. Having almost 30 years of experience in various departments, from operational to administrative at All India Radio and Doordarshan, he has played an active role in numerous coverages, traveling extensively throughout the country. Sri Satyanarayana represented Doordarshan, India on an official visit Harris Corporation at Quincy, USA in 2012. I request our school pupil leader to present the bouquet to our guest of honor, Sri Satyanarayana. It gives me immense pleasure in introducing our guest of honor, Mr. B.V. Ramana Devi, parent of the school head boy. A law graduate from Osmania University, Mrs. Ramana Devi did her master's in psychology and obtained a diploma in family and marriage counseling and child psychology. She has been pursuing her career as a counselor for the past 7 years. I request our school leader to present a bouquet to our guest of honor, Mrs. Ramana Devi. It gives me great pleasure to introduce our guest of honor, Mrs. Sunita, who is a member of the governing body, St. Joseph School, Hapsiguda. She has done her master's in public and personal management and is also an LLB from Osmania University. She has been working as an advocate in Andhra Pradesh High Court for last 17 years. I request our school leader to present a bouquet to our guest of honor. Sri UG Reddy needs no introduction to this august gathering. Sri UG Reddy is a radiating example of perseverance and strength, a symbol of simplicity and dedication, whose courage and indomitable spirit have been a constant inspiration to all of us. We are fortunate to be associated with him. I request our school leader to present a bouquet to our secretary and principal, Sri UG Reddy.
May I now call upon Mr. P. Satyanarayana, the guest of honor, to share a few words with us.
Respected UG Reddy sir, Sri Munuswami ji, chief guest of this occasion, Madam Teresa, headmistress, Joseph Reddy, vice principal, all the teaching staff, parents and my dear children, a very good evening to all of you. It's a privilege and honor for me to be at this place and share thoughts with you all. I thank the management of this school for giving me this opportunity. I'm very much proud to say that my elder daughter, Sai Ramyata, has did 9 years of schooling right from 2nd class to 10th class and passed out in year 2010 and was an assistant head girl during her school final year. Now my younger daughter, Sai Harshita, is completing 10 years of schooling right from 1st class to 10th class in this very campus. And at this moment, I would like to share an experience of mine with regard to the attachment my children have with this campus. In 2005, when our family relocated from Ramantapur to street number 6, Apsiguda, which is adjacent to another ICSE school, I proposed to my children for change because it is very near to my house. To my utter surprise, my both children in unison and combined voice straightaway rejected my proposal, and they told me that they will not change from the school as they love and like the St. Joseph High School, Apsiguda. This itself is an indication how the children of this school are attached to this campus. And I am very sure that the parents as present here will agree with me that this campus gives an excellent and ideal schooling atmosphere for the all-round development of the children, with a stress on the word all-round development. As we, in this campus, we have, along with education, all sorts of extracurricular activities which are very much required for a student for his or her all-round development. Unlike in a school run on multi-stored apartment buildings, grinding the students right from morning 6 to 9 without any extracurricular activities. And the huge sprawling playground and sporting facilities available in this school are a very much delightful feature that every parent is observing. I take this opportunity to express my deep heartfelt gratitude to the management, teaching staff, and non-teaching staff of this campus for the utmost education facilities, the all-round development, and the excellent care taken towards my two children all these years from 2002 to this date. I also take this opportunity to pray Almighty to bless Sri UG Reddy sir with 100 years of life, to enable him to continue to lead from the front, guide, inspire and motivate this campus for reaching greater heights and glory in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your appreciation and encouragement. It would certainly help us scale greater heights. We shall not rest on our laurels, but we shall pursue to excel in our mission. Now, I call upon Mrs. B.V. Ramana Devi, the guest of honor, to share her thoughts with us.
Good evening, everybody. I am very happy to be here because of my prized position as a mother of Master Muhammad Hussain. I am feeling great to share this dais with Sri UG Reddy Garu. Thank you, sir. I appreciate Mrs. Teresa for her great vision and kindness. I also appreciate Mrs. Joseph Garu, Mr. Joseph Garu for his sincere services to the school. Thank you, teachers, for the academic excellence. I would like to praise the non-teaching staff for their patience and support. All my dear children, I feel every child is precious, no one is inferior to anyone, but you should have self-discipline. One other most important thing in the child development is parenting. Caring parenting makes a confident child. My best wishes to all the parents and children for their future. We will miss you, St. Joseph's. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you, madam. I now invite Mrs. R. Sunita, the guest of honor, to share her thoughts as well.
Respected Principal, Mr. U.G. Reddy Garu, Headmistress Mrs. Teresa and other dignitaries on the dais. It gives me the immense pleasure to be here this evening and to address the young students of St. Joseph Public School on the occasion of annual day. This school has been established by Sri U.G. Reddy Garu very thoughtfully for the overall growth of children and to integrate their academic excellence with their personality development. As Swami Vivekananda said, education is the manifestation of the perfection already existing in man. The concept of education is to help the formation of character, expansion of intellect for development of a positive view in the life. A school should be the mirror of a child's personality, wherein education is constitute the inner beauty. St. Joseph Public School strives to identify and nurture innate talents and abilities of the students. Experimentation and creativity through interactive and scientifically developed activities like Utkarsh, the science exhibition and coaching given for various sports enhance their physical health. This school is a good combination of traditional values with modern knowledge and information which helps in all-round development of students without any discrimination. I am sure that these ideas form the core contents in educational pattern of this school, which prepares the young generation to become leaders in whichever career they choose and contribute positively towards themselves, family, society, and the entire nation. I thank all the teachers for their constant guidance and cooperation with parents personally and also through the daily SMS programs. I wish good luck to all students for their bright future. I thank that all parents agree with my views. Once again, I thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Dignitaries on the dais, Sri U.G. Reddy Garu, Madam Teresa Garu, Satyanarayana Garu, Ramana Devi Garu, Sunita Garu, and the teachers, parents, and the children present here. Today I am very happy to be with you on this occasion. Before joining the police department, I worked as a lecturer for a brief stint. It is really satisfying me to be here amongst you, and the performances by the students is excellent, highly praiseworthy. Besides academic career, the child has to be developed in other extracurricular activities also. I believe in it. The overall development of the child is the need of the nation. Now children, in future they will become the citizens of India. So good education, good parental care will bring laurels to the nation. Here I could see the good campus and teaching abilities of the students. The performance by students is excellent. I wish them the best in their future to develop as a good citizen. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It is indeed a great privilege to have a person of your stature amidst us who has had a humble beginning and by dint of hard work has now reached to a position of great honor and dignity. Your very presence is a great motivation and inspiration to our students, especially the students of grade 10 who are all moving out of the cozy warmth of the school to face the challenges of life. We now move on to the most awaited part of the program, wherein students are encouraged with tokens of appreciation for their achievements through the year. We begin today's proficiency prize distribution with the topper of the ICSE examination for the academic year 2012-2013. It has always been the tradition of the school from the time of its inception to honor the toppers, thereby encouraging them. I request the chief guest to present the gold medal to Master Akhil Reddy, who stood first with an aggregate of 572 out of 600. I repeat, Master Akhil Reddy with an aggregate of 572 out of 600, he gets the gold medal. That's Master Akhil Reddy. The management has decided to give 2 silver medals this year, as the second and the third position differ by just 2 marks. I request Kumari Vaishnavi Kuna, who has secured an aggregate of 564 out of 600, to come on to the dais, followed by Master C.H. Ankit Reddy, who has secured an aggregate of 562 out of 600. Kumari Vaishnavi Kuna and Master C.H. Ankit Reddy. We request you to quickly come on to the dais. That's Vaishnavi Kuna. And here we have Master Ankit Reddy. Congratulations to all the 3 of you. Children, you've really done the school proud. Late Miss H. Manjula, who had served as the head department of English for more than a decade. It has been 3 years since she has left us. She had played a very significant role in the Department of English, guiding teachers, contributing valuable suggestions, and above all, encouraging students in enhancing their literary skills. We thank her family for contributing an amount of 25,000 rupees to be used as Miss Manjula Memorial Cash Award to the best student in literary activities each year. The cash award for the academic year 2013-2014 is shared by 2 students, Master Japnit and Kumari Harshita of class 10. Master Japnit and Kumari Harshita. Well, we now move on to the proficiency prize winners of the primary school. I request Mrs. Vaini, in charge primary school, to take over.
Good evening to one and all. Now I call upon the proficiency prize winners of this academic year 2013-14. We'll begin with the Junior Montessori section A. Sai Sanjana of K secured first prize. Parents, please clap for them. Shriyant Reddy of G secured second prize. Kirtana P secured third prize. Sahas D secured third prize. Junior Montessori section B. Shrestha P secured first prize. Dhruvan V secured second prize. B.Y. Lakshmi Narasimha secured third prize. Junior Montessori Sri section, Prerna secured first prize. Sheikh Azlan second. Brinda A secured third prize. Now I call upon Senior Montessori A section. Seshank Reddy of Senior Montessori A secured first prize. Senior Montessori A, Seshank Reddy secured first prize. Premanjali T secured second prize. Divya Reddy U secured third prize. Satvika K secured third prize. Senior Montessori B section. Shreyan BV secured first prize. Ishita Reddy secured second prize. Hasini Y secured second prize. John Buyon A secured third prize. Junior Montessori C section, Sri Sahasra D secured first prize. Yuan Abhikshit M secured first prize. Sheikh Nashrat secured second prize. Gamya secured third prize. Now I call upon class 1A. Class 1A, Mary Hasini secured first prize, Sadguna R second prize, Joyal Sipas third prize, Lashya Sri consolation prize. Now 1B, Ujwal G secured first prize, Sampreet second prize, Aryan Shashank third prize. Which section? First C, Durga T secured first prize, Manish Gaud first prize, Karthik Reddy second prize, Aman Rao third. Class 1D, Hrishik M secured first prize, Aditi Joshi second prize, Sri Vastala third prize. First E, Anvita Anand first prize, Suhani Sheikh second prize, Shravani Kulkarni secured third prize. Now I call upon class second. Second A, Mary Ansela secured first prize. Ananya Reddy secured second prize. Sri Veda B secured third prize. Second B, Sai Yashash first prize. Srujan B second prize. Ritvik Reddy third prize. Second C, Mrunalika B first prize. Akshay T secured second prize. Vignesh G secured third prize. Second D, Aryan Abhiram A secured first prize. Sai Shri Thanmay secured second prize. Yogna G secured third prize. Second E, Nidhi Badrinath secured first prize. Nagasai Udeshri secured second prize. Shaina G secured second prize. Abhishek Pandey secured third prize. Ben Joseph secured third prize. Now I call upon third class A section. Spurti Y, first prize. Srihita S second prize. Rahul C third prize. Third B, Sanjana G secured first prize. Meghana A second prize. Shiva Shaura P secured third prize. Parents, please clap for them. Throughout the year, they have secured and performed and they got these proficiency prizes. Third D, Himani Sakshi secured first prize. Suchit, second prize. Sai Krishik, third prize. Third E, Sharanya P secured first prize. Once again, I call upon third E, Sharanya P secured first prize. Anjali Ram secured second prize. Tejaswini third prize. Now I call upon class fourth. Fourth A, Satvika B secured first prize. Shakshita P secured second prize. Kirti Ratna Sai secured third prize. Fourth B, Varshita U secured first prize. Varshita Reddy L secured second prize. Rupak Rao V secured third prize. Fourth C, Rohit K. SV secured first prize. Tanishk G secured second prize. Dikshit G secured third prize. Fourth D. Vagdevi secured first prize. Rishita P. Shraf second prize. Sri Lakhani third prize. Fourth E. Tanuj TVS secured first prize. Bhavana Shri Y second prize. Yashashvi D third prize. Now I call Miss Y Kalpana to take over.
Yeah, good evening to one and all. Thank you, Mrs. Swaini, for that. Proficiency prizes of classes 5 to 8 for the academic year 2013-14. First, we are going to start with class 5. 5A, Uday Kiran bagged first prize, Harshita G second prize, and Sai Supreet third prize. B, Sri Vaishnavi bagged first prize, Sharada Smriti second prize, and Rohit Reddy D third prize. 5C, Vaishnavi secured first prize, Sanjana Krishna Shraf second prize, Sai Pujita third prize. 5D, Shimona Singh first prize, Shivani Krishna secured second prize, and Sampath P third prize. 5E, Vritika Reddy secured first prize, Chaturya G second prize, and Sudanva Kulkarni third prize. Moving on to class 6. A, Kruti K secured first prize, Sahas Reddy B second prize, and Jason Paul S third prize. B, Krishna Reddy G secured first place, Ritvik Reddy second place, and Sai Ganesh K third place. 6th C, Aditya Sai E secured first place, Saket Reddy M second place, and Akshita S third place. 6D, Krishna Aditya P has secured first prize, Ishan Jayesh second place, and Srinidhi T third place. 6E, Trupti Gati secured first prize, and also one more student, Satyajit B secured first place. Lasya K has secured second prize, and Mahesh Raju A third prize. Moving on to class 7. 7A, Sahil Munaya T secured first prize, Anish Kushal CH second prize, and Syed Mujiba third prize. 7B, Shravya Viskunda first prize, Praneeth Reddy P second prize, and Riyan KR third prize. 7C, Amulya N secured first prize, Kaivalya G second prize, and Charan Raju T third prize, and consolation to Aishwarya M. 7D, Padmavati Nayak secured first place, Ritika M second place, and Sahiti N third place. Class 7E, Sanjay M has secured first place, Lydia second place, and Yashika Shyam Sukha third place. Thank you.
Proficiency prizes of classes 8 to 10 for the academic year 2013 and 14. Class 8A, Abhijay Kashyap first, Tejas second rank, and Swati third. 8B, Anish Reddy, first prize. Harita, second. Pavitra, third. Class 8C, Revanth Reddy, first prize. Vedavit, second prize. And Srija Reddy, third prize. Class 8D, U. Revanth, first prize. Vinutna, second prize. And Akshita, third prize. Class 8E, Kirtana Reddy, first prize. Chandana Reddy, second prize. Sai Divya Jyoti, third prize. Class 9A, Yamini Reddy, first prize. Chakrika, second prize. Tejasvi, third prize. Class 9B, Nischala, first prize. Samuel, second prize. Pranati, third prize. Class 9C, Chinmay, first prize. Shweta, second prize. Lasyasri, third prize. Class 9D, Vamshi, first prize. Pavan, second prize. And Manasi, third prize. Class 9E, Neha. Class 9E, Neha Reddy, first prize. Dhanvi, second prize. And Cherisha, third prize. Class 10A, Master Hussain Sheikh, first prize. Manognya, second prize. And Ramya, third prize. Class 10B, Kaushik, first prize. Sai Harshita, second prize. And Ritika, third. Class 10C, Pavani, first prize. Amani, second prize. And Snigdha Reddy, third prize. Class 10D, Sindhura, first prize. Ritika, second prize. And Shivani, third prize. Now we move on to some special prizes for class 10 students for being regular to school and achieving 100% attendance. Master Ram Mohan of class 10B. Kiranmay Reddy of 10C. Mary Divya of 10C. Snigdha Reddy of 10C. Rahul of 10C. Please give them a huge applause, dear parents. They certainly deserve it. We have some special prizes for the young achievers in sports too. Master Sai Santosh Reddy is the Milka Singh of St. Joseph's. He has participated in the ICSE National Athletic Meet conducted at Thrissur in the 400 meters and 200 meters race. Master Sai Santosh Reddy. Kumari Bhanu Varshita of 9A participated in the triple jump event. Master Dheeraj Reddy of 10C in the basketball. Master C. Seshank of 10A in football. Master Pratyush Kumar of 10D, Master G. Kalyan of 8A, and Master Khaja Pasha of 8E are our budding Tendulkars, our cricket stars who played at Amritsar. Master Sai Ganesh of 8C is a hockey player. Master Ahmed Ali, basketball. Kumari Srija Reddy of 10A, silver medal in shot put event at the AP State Athletic Meet conducted at Gachibowli. Kumari Chakrika of 9A, bronze medal in javelin throw at the State Athletic Meet at Gachibowli. Master Vedavit of 8C and Master V.S.S. Shripad of 8A bagged the third place in the South India Gymnastics Championship conducted at Gachibowli. Kumari Srija Reddy of 7E bagged the third place in the AP Lawn Tennis Association conducted at Boinpalli. S. Sanjana of 4th A won the first place in the under 10 category in the AP Lawn Tennis Association conducted at Bovenpalli. At the regional athletic meet, our students participated in the 400 meters relay and bagged various medals. Kumari Tejashwi of 9A, Manasi of 9E, Pranalika of 8C, G. Ramohan of 10B, Nitish Chandra of 10B, and Anish of 10B. Now for the much awaited special prize of the academic year 2013 and 14. The Best Outgoing Student Award for their active involvement in all the activities of the school goes to Master Japneet Singh Walia of class 10D and Kumari Mary Divya of class 10C. We have two more students awarded the Best Outgoing Student, sponsored by the Times of India newspaper. The Best Outgoing Student, sponsored by Times of India, goes to Kumari Balasatwika of 10C and Kumari Dharani Santoshi of 10C. Incidentally, Satvika is the Information and Broadcasting Minister of the school cabinet. Now I call upon our Secretary and Principal, Shri U.J. Reddy, to present a memento to our Honorable Chief Guest. Thank you, sir. Now Master Hussain Sheikh, head boy of the school, will propose the vote of thanks.
Students of St. Joseph's Public School, Habsiguda, Hyderabad, I express my sincere thanks to the Chief Guest, Mr. P. Muniswamy, IPS, Commandant, SAR CPL, Ambarpet, Hyderabad. I thank the guests of honor, Mrs. B.V. Ramnadevi, Mr. P. Satyanarayana, and Mrs. Y. Sunita. I also thank the parents of our school children and other invitees who have joined us on this special occasion. Our sincere thanks to all the teachers who have given such a good training to all of us and prepared us for today's colorful program. Our sincere thanks to Headmistress Mrs. U. Sundari and the staff of St. Joseph's Public School, Asmanghat Palace, for their wholehearted cooperation. I also thank all the student leaders and volunteers who have performed their duties and helped us. I thank the non-academic staff for their sincere efforts in making the program a success. I finally congratulate all the student participants who have successfully exhibited their talents. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Cicera and I would like to introduce you all to the English play being staged by the students of 9th grade. The Bishop's Candlesticks by Norman MacDonald dramatizes a pivotal episode in the epic novel Les Miserables, written by the French author Victor Hugo. It is a fine example of one man's kindness and another's reformation. It deals with the values of compassion and its power to change hardened hearts. Here we meet a noble, kind-hearted bishop who has sold most of his family heirlooms in the name of charity. He lives with his sister, who is more practical and extremely protective of the bishop. Their dwindling finances are a cause of worry to her. Then there is an escaped convict who is desperate for food, work, money, and a new identity. He has been treated cruelly and has borne great hardships in life. Let us now see how a violent convict has a change of heart when touched by the grace of a servant of God.
Mary, isn't the soup boiling yet?
Not yet, madam.
Well, it ought to be. You haven't tended the fire properly, child.
I'll make your bed ready, ma'am.
But madam, you yourself made the fire up. Don't answer me back like that. It is rude.
Yes, madam.
Then don't let me have to rebuke you again.
No, madam.
I wonder where my brother can be.
It's after 11 o'clock and there's no sign of him.
Yes, madam.
Did he tell you where he was going?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam. Then why haven't you told me, stupid?
Madam said only this morning I was not to chatter, so I thought.
You thought? It's hopeless.
Yes, madam.
Well, where did the monsieur say he was going?
To my mother's, madam.
To your mother's, indeed? And why, pray?
Monsieur asked me this afternoon how she was, and I told her she was feeling poorly.
You told him she was feeling poorly, did you? And so my brother is to be kept out of his bed and go without his supper just because you told him she was feeling poorly. There's gratitude for you.
Madam, the soup is boiling.
Then pour it out, fool, and don't chatter. No, not like that. Here, let me do it. And do put the salt cellars on the table, the silver ones.
The silver ones, madam?
Yes, the silver ones. Are you deaf as well as stupid?
They are sold, madam.
Sold? Sold? Are you mad? Who sold them? Why were they sold?
Monsieur told me this afternoon to sell them for as much as I could.
But why?
I think it was for Mare Gringova.
Mare Gringova, indeed? What? The old witch who lives at the top of the hill and just says she's bedridden just because she's too lazy to do any work. And what did Mare Gringova want with the money? Pray?
I think it was for rent. The bailiff would not wait any longer and threatened to turn her out today. So she sent little Jean to Monsieur to ask for help.
It's hopeless, hopeless. We have nothing left. His estate is sold, his savings gone, his furniture, everything. Were it not for my little income, we should starve. And now my beautiful, beautiful salt cellars. It's too much, too much.
Madam, I'm sorry if I had known.
Sorry, and why pray? If Monsieur the Bishop chooses to sell his salt cellars, he may do so, I
Yes,
suppose.
madam.
Ah, how nice and warm it is in here. It is worth going out into the cold for the sake of the comfort coming in. Thank you, dear. Why? What's the matter? You have been crying. Has Mary been troublesome, huh?
No, it wasn't Mary, but...
Well, you shall tell me presently. Mary, my child, run home now. Your mother is better. I've prayed with her and the doctor has been. Run home. And Mary, let yourself in quietly in case your mother is asleep.
Oh, thanks, Monsieur.
Here, Mary, take my comforter. It'll keep you warm. It is very cold tonight.
Oh, no, Monsieur.
What nonsense, brother. She's young. She won't hurt.
Ah, Persemy, you've not been out. You don't know how cold it has become. Here, Mary, let me put it on for you. I need to go behind. There, run along, little one.
Brother, I have no patience with you. There, sit down and take your soup. It's been waiting ever so long. And if it's spoiled, it serves you right.
It smells delicious.
I'm sure Marie's mother is not so ill that you need to have stayed out on such a night as this. Those people just pretend to be ill to have the bishop call on them. They have no thought of the bishop.
It's kind of them to want to see me.
Well, for my part, I believe that charity begins at home.
And so you make me this delicious soup. You're very good to me, sister.
Good to you? Yes, I should think so. I should like to know where you would be without me to look after you. The dupe of every idle scamp or lying old woman in the parish?
If people lie to me, they're poor, not I.
But it's ridiculous. You'll have nothing left to give away everything.
My dear, there is so much suffering in this world, and I can do so little. So very little.
Suffering? Yes. But you never think of the suffering you cause to those who love you the best. The suffering you cause to me?
You, sister dear, have I hurt you? Ah, I remember you had been crying. Was it my fault? I didn't mean to hurt you, I'm sorry.
Sorry? Sorry won't mend it. Oh, do go on eating your soup before it gets cold.
Very well, dear. But tell me...
You're like a child. I can't trust you out of my sight. No sooner is my back turned, you'll get that little minx Mary to sell the silver salt cellars.
Ah, yes, the salt sellers. It is a pity. You're proud of them?
Proud of them? Why? They've been in our family for years.
Yes, it is a pity. They were beautiful. But the bailiff, who's a very just man, would not wait any longer for the rent. So you see, I had to pay it.
You had to pay it?
Yes, and you see, I had no money, so I had to dispose of the salt cellars. It was fortunate I had them, wasn't it? But I'm sorry, I've grieved you.
Oh, go on, go on. You're incorrigible. You'll sell the candlesticks next.
No, no, sister, not my candlesticks.
Oh, why not? They would pay somebody's rent, I suppose.
Ah, you're good, sister, to think of that. But I don't want to sell them. You see, dear, mother gave them to me on a deathbed just after you're born, and she asked me to keep them in remembrance of her. So I would like to keep them.
Brother, you will break my heart. There, don't say anything more. I'm going to bed. Don't sit up too long and tear your eyes.
No, dear, good night. They would pay somebody's rent. It's kind of her to think of that.
If you call out, you're a dead man.
But my son, as you see, I'm reading. Why should I call out? Can I help you in any way?
I want food. I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything for 3 days. Give me food. Quickly, quickly. Curse you.
But certainly, my son, you shall have food. I'll ask my sister for the keys of the cupboard.
Sit down. None of that, my friend. You would ask your sister for the keys, would you? A likely story. You would rouse the house too? Huh? Ha ha. A good joke, truly. Come, tell me where the food is. I have a wolf inside me, tearing at my entrails, tearing me. Now tell me where the food is.
I wish Persame would not lock the cupboard. Come, my friend, you have nothing to fear. My sister and I alone here.
How do I know that?
Why? I've just told you.
I'll risk it, but mind, play me false and assure that devils in hell I'll drive my knife through your heart and have nothing to lose.
You have your soul to lose, my son. It is of more value than my heart. Persame,
Yes, brother.
here is a poor traveler who's hungry. If you're not undressed, will you come and open the cupboard and I will give him some supper?
What? At this time of night? Are we to have no sleep now?
But Persame, the traveler is hungry.
Oh, very well. I'm coming. Brother, what is he doing with that knife?
The knife, oh, well, you see, dear, perhaps he may have thought that I might have sold ours.
Brother, I'm frightened. He glares at us like a wild beast.
Hurry, I tell you, give me food or I'll stick my knife in you both and help myself.
Give me the keys, Persame. And now, dear, you may go to bed.
Stop, neither of you leave this room till I do.
Persame, will you favor this gentleman with your company at supper? He evidently desires it.
Very well, brother.
Here is some cold ham, here's some cold pie, and a bottle of wine and some bread.
Put them on the table and stand below it so that I can see you. My knife is very sharp. And as for forks, steel, we don't use any forks in prison.
Prison?
What was that? Why the devil do you leave the windows unshuttered and the doors unbarred so that anyone can come in?
That's exactly why they're left open.
Well, they are shut now.
For the first time in 30 years.
Oh my, look how he eats.
You're not afraid of thieves?
I'm sorry for them.
Sorry for them? Ha ha ha. That's a good one. Sorry for them. Ha ha ha. Well, what the devil are you?
I'm a bishop.
Ha ha ha. A bishop, Holy Virgin, a bishop?
I hope you may escape that, my son. Persame, you may leave us. This gentleman will excuse you.
Leave you with?
Please, my friend and I can talk more freely then.
What was that? Leave us, yes, yes, leave us. I want to talk to the bishop. The bishop. Ha ha ha.
Good night, Persame.
The bishop. Ha ha ha. Well, do you know what I am?
I think one who has suffered much.
Suffered? My God, yes. But that's a very long time ago. That was when I was a man. But now I'm not a man, I'm a number. Number 15729. And I lived in hell for 10 years. 10 years.
Now tell me about it. About hell.
Why? Do you want to tell the police?
No, I will not tell the police. Now tell me about the time. The time before you went to hell.
It's so long ago. I forget. But I had a little cottage with the vines growing on it. And they looked pretty with the evening sun on them. And there was a woman. She must have been my wife. Yes, I remember. She was ill. We had no food and I could get no work that year. It was a very bad year and my wife was dying. So I stole to buy her food. And they caught me. I told them why I stole. But they laughed at me. And I was sentenced for 10 years in the prison hulks, 10 years in hell. The night I was sentenced, the gaoler told me that Janet was dead. Damn them. God curse them all.
Now tell me about the prison ship. About hell.
Tell you about it? Look here, I was a man once, but I'm a beast now. And they have made me what I am. I was chained like a wild animal. They lashed me like a hound. I fed on filth. I was covered with vermin. And I slept on boards. And I complained. Then they lashed me again. For 10 years, oh God. But one day, they were careless. And he escaped. That was 6 weeks ago. He was free to starve.
To starve?
Yes, to starve. They feed you in hell. But once when you escape from it, you starve. They searched me everywhere. But I had no passport, no name. So I stole again. I stole these rags, stole my food daily. And I slept in woods, in barns, anywhere. And I dare not ask for work. I dare not go into a town to beg. So I stole again. And they have made me what I am. They have made me a thief. God curse them all.
My son, you have suffered much. But there is hope for all.
Hope? Ha ha ha.
You walk far. You're tired. Lie down and sleep on the couch, and I'll get you some coverings.
And if anyone comes?
No one will come and bother the bishop's friend.
The bishop's friend?
I'll get the coverings.
The bishop's friend? Silver, by God. Heavy, what a prize.
You're admiring my candlesticks. I'm proud of them. They're a gift from my mother, and all I have to remind me of her. Will you lie down now?
Well, all right. You sure no one will come?
I don't think they will.
I wonder if it's safe. Here you go on. Go to bed. Go on, I tell you.
Night, my son.
No lock, of course. Let's have another look at them. Worth hundreds. With these, I can make a fresh start. I know he treasures them and is kind to me, but I must not hesitate. I'll take these candlesticks and go.
Who's there? Who's there, I say? Am I to get no sleep tonight? Who's there, I say? I'm sure I heard the door shut. No one here? The candlesticks, they're gone. Brother, come out. Fire, murder, thieves.
What is it, dear? What is it? What is the matter?
He has gone. The man with hungry eyes is gone and he has taken your candlesticks.
Not my candlesticks, sister. Surely not those. Oh God, it's hard. It's very hard. He might have left me those. They were all I had.
Well, but go and inform the police. He can't have gone far. They will soon catch him and you'll get your candlesticks back. You don't deserve them, though, leaving them about with a man like that in the house.
You're right, Perseme. It was my fault. I led him into temptation.
Oh, nonsense. The man is a thief, a common scoundrelly thief. I knew it the moment I saw. Go and inform the police or I will.
And have him sent back to prison? Sent back to hell? No, Perseme. I set too great store by them. It was a sin. My punishment is just. But oh God, it's hard, very hard.
No, brother, you're wrong. If you won't tell the police, I will. I will not stand by and see you robbed. I know you're my brother and my bishop and the best man in all France. But you're a fool, and I shall not have your goodness abused. I shall go and inform the police.
Stop, Perseme. The candlesticks were mine. They are his now. He has more need of them than I. Mother would have wished it so had she been here.
But
Monsieur, we have something for you. May we enter?
Enter, my son.
so they've caught you, you villain, have they?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. We found this scoundrel slinking along the road. As he wouldn't give any account of himself, we arrested him on suspicion. While we were securing him, we found these candlesticks with him. Then I remembered the candlesticks of Mosier, the bishop, and brought them here so that you might identify them, and then we'll lock him up.
But I don't understand. This gentleman is my very good friend.
Your friend, Mosier?
Yes, my friend. He did me the honor to sup with me tonight, and I have given him the candlesticks. And now I think you may let your prisoner go.
But he won't show me his papers. He won't tell me who he is.
I have told you, he's my friend.
That's all very well, but...
He's your bishop's friend. Surely that is enough?
Well, lose the prisoner. Right about turn. Quick march.
You told them you had given me the candlesticks? Given me them by card?
Oh, you scoundrel, you pitiful scoundrel. You come here and are fed and warm, and you thief, steal from your benefactor, oh you blackguard.
Persemy, you're overwrought. Go to your room.
And leave you with him to be cheated again? Perhaps murdered? No, I will not.
Persemy, leave us. I wish it.
Well, if I must go, at least I'll take the candlesticks with me.
Persemy, leave the candlesticks on the table and leave us.
No, I will not.
I, your bishop, command it.
Mosier, I'm glad I didn't get away with them. I'm glad.
Now, won't you sleep here? See, your bed is ready.
No, I daren't. Besides, I must go on. I must get to Paris. It is big, and I can't be lost there. And they won't find me there. And I must travel by night. Do you understand?
I see. You must travel by night.
Mosier, I didn't know there was any good in the world, but somehow I know you're good. And it's a queer thing to ask. But would you bless me before I go? I think it would help me. Good night.
Stay, my son. You have forgotten your property.
You mean you want me to take them?
Please, they may help you. And my son, there's a path through the woods at the back of this cottage which leads to Paris. It is a very lonely path, and I have noticed that my good friends, the gendarmes, do not like lonely paths at night. It is curious.
Thanks, Mosier the bishop. I'm a fool, a child to cry, but somehow you have made me feel that I'm a man again and not a wild beast.
Always remember, my son, that this poor body is the temple of the living God.
The temple of the living God. I'll remember.
The Bible says, love is gentle, love is kind, love is patient, love never fails. The language of love can melt down even the toughest person or a criminal in the world, rather than treating him in a brutal manner. Let's remember, a criminal is not born. It is the society that makes him what he is. So let us try and follow the language of love to impact the individuals around us who crave for love and concern. Let's strive together to heal the world and make it a better place for everyone to live in. Thank you.
Thank you, children.
Folk Garba Ras, which is a special feature of the Navratri festival. Garba Ras, a typical dance of Gujarat, is performed around a clay lantern with a light inside called the Garba Deep. Garba is danced around this symbol to honor the fact that all human beings have a divine energy within them. I am Anjani, and we have the Garba Ras performed by the students of class 7 ABC. Thank you.
बाजे ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय ये धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय रे खट खट बाज 10 तक वो न अब तक आया रे तब से हाँ देखी राही के अब तू खोल बाहें आजा उमड़ घूमे रे मचले रे मोरा मन गूंजे रे बालम के बोल गाड़ संग ढोल बाजे
Dance the graceful Garba, special feature of Navratri festival, a typical dance of Gujarat performed by women around the Garba Teeth.
धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम हाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम धाय पल बीता जल जल नाच अब चल आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब नाना बागों में बोला रे बोला मोर बदला रे दिल का भूगोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम
That was an elegant dance, girls, and full of energy too.
Beautiful Garba Ras of Gujarat, one of the few dances that India can take pride in, performed elegantly by our students. I'm Aishwarya, and I say that everyone awaits a time to enjoy, be it a wedding, a festival, or chilling out with friends. People have different definitions of happiness. Happiness includes a lot of excitement as seen in the air now. Singing, dancing, laughing, chatting, and so on. This is how we can forget the blues of our life. The song We Twist conveys a message to put aside all the worries and burdens of life and to wear a smile always and embrace happiness. It's all a pomp and ride to mesmerize ourselves in the excitement. Life is full of twists. and we need to enjoy it rather than being gloomy. Let us watch a fusion of Punjabi beats, rock and roll, and rap dance forms performed by the students of class 7.
Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back. Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back.
Let's have some Ronak Shanak, let's have some party now. Let's have some roll and up.
Run the track and nobody look back. Them say,
let's have some dhol dhamaka. Let's call the dholi now. Let's have some muddy kappa. Chalo chalo ji lak lak kaalo. Chalo chalo ji maad manaalo. Chalo chalo ji nach la kaalo. Magar kisi ki wrist. We twist, 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 and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist.
run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back. Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back.
Shikid shikid सी दुनिया चले फिर भी चले बल्ले बल्ले हो गई हाँ हो गई ओ हंसी खुशी में गम की गड्डी हवा में हुड्डी वो काटा लोग हो गई हाँ
Once again, we have a fusion of Punjabi beats and rock and roll. A cultural program without a Punjabi touch makes it incomplete and insipid.
सोने मोने मल्लो मल्ली कर गए टल्ली आंख वांख सी लड़ गई हाँ लड़ गई बोतल शोतल खाली वरना दारू शारू बिन पीते ही चढ़ गई हाँ चढ़ गई देखो देखो सब घूम रहा है देखो देखो जग झूम रहा है यहाँ वहाँ दिल ढूंढ रहा है हम खुशियों की लिस्ट and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist. Let's have some Ronak Shanak, let's have some party now. Let's have some roll on up.
Run the track and nobody look back. Them say,
Let's have some dhol dhamaka. Let's call the dholi now. Let's have some muddy dabba. Chalo chalo ji lak lach kaalo. Chalo chalo ji maad manaalo. Chalo chalo ji nach la kaalo. Pakad kisi ki wrist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist, and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist.
A wonderful performance indeed. Quite mesmerizing too.
रास रचैया राधा न जाए अब सावरा न भारे
Certainly leave us spellbound.
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह चेहरा है माशाल्लाह रंग तेरे इश्क का गहरा है माशाल्लाह तुझको चुराया है पाया है ये जहां और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू प्यारा है शक्ल से अकल का मारा है रे तू लड़के और लड़के कहाँ से आया है रे तू प्यारा अकल से अकल का मारा है रे तू।
हाँ चल गई मेरी बातों से तू चल गई। हाँ खल गई तुझे खल गई मेरी बेपरवाही खल गई। वो दरवा तू किस खेत की मूली है जरा पता।
टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हर मेरा घाघरा है, बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली आगरा। टीवी पे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज हर मेरा घाघरा है, बगदाद से लेके दिल्ली आगरा।
You know that thing must be 100 years old.
Well done, girls. You were really marvelous. These moments, I'm sure, would be some of the most cherished and treasured ones for the students out here, and would certainly be a milestone in their lives, as this was their last stage performance at school, bringing an end to their 12 years of journey at school. Next.
Your deft movements were delightful. Even at the end of the day, you look as energetic and enthusiastic as ever. Parents in the audience, these boys deserve a big round of applause for sustaining the enthusiasm till the very end.
अपना काम बनता भाड़ में जाए जनता, अपना काम बनता भाड़ में जाए जनता, गूंगे बहरों की नगरी कौन किसी की सुनता, अपना काम बनता भाड़ में जाए जनता। ये देश तो वीर जवानों का अब रह गया पैमानों का, ये देश तो वीर जवानों का अब रह गया पैमानों का। अरे बदल गया इतिहास है, रावण की लीला पास है, रावण की लीला पास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है। आम आदमी उदास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है। पैसा पैसा है रे पैसा, पैसा पैसा है रे पैसा, पैसा पैसा है रे पैसा, ऊपर लेके जाऊं कैसा हो रहा है। मांग 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 झुंड,
दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी। सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी। दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी। सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी। सुमड़ी में लेके जाऊं और सबको मैं सिखाऊं क्या। दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी। सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी। सुमड़ी में लेके जाऊं और सबको मैं सिखाऊं क्या।
That was fantastic. Good job, boys. All's well that ends well. Parents, we hope you all had a nice time. Even as we conclude today's program, we request you all to stand to your feet for the national anthem.
blub, 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 bubble up. Bubble, 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 bubble up.